How to get the Moai Head Icon easy in Geometry 2.2. So if you don't know what Moai Head looks like, this is what Moai Head looks like. And how to get this one is the question. So this is Geometry 2.2 to be exact. And how are we going to unlock this Moai head? What are the steps and what is the first thing to do in order to achieve this? So first you need to know that you need to have or you need to gain 300,000 total attempts in order to get this feature. Now to do that or to get that you have to play a couple of times till you reach these attempts. So once you have this attempt, then you can go directly and proceed to this tutorial. So first, this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is just simply click this icon right here and then go to the search bar. And then here, what you want to do is to simply type this attempt grinder. So you have to type attempt grinder and then tap search. Now you will see here samples of games, and once you get or once you see that attempt grinder, you have to tap that one and proceed with the game. So you have to do this one like how many attempts you should in order for you to get this 300,000 attempts. Now always remember that you should set this into practice mode. And apart from that, you should set the respawn diamond as close to the spike as possible. Okay, so you can do this attempt as long as you want. So this results is in 150 attempts to be exact. Now after that, you should go back and see that this one is unlocked. Always remember that you need 300 attempts in order to unlock this cube or this feature. So this is how you get Moai Head. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.